Hey bitches, it's Chazzy and welcome back to my world, and I'm here with the trash committee. Wow.
We did not agree for you to say that.
That just came off like my head now. But anyways, in this video we're going to be doing the spicy noodles challenge. Now I already have this video on my channel, but it's terrible with these bitches. I already have it on here, but
Plus one.
Oh yeah, plus Nick. Aw. But anyways, this video's probably going to be a mukbang. I don't really know yet, but we're about to start eating these noodles, so yeah. Are we ready?
Do we just go? Just dig in? Everyone's got to take a big first bite before we can like...
Fuck no.
Before we can
This is my big bite.
Ready? Wait, no.
I'm scared.
Go and take it. I'm like gathering it up.
Oh my god, I can't do this.
Just already went. Oh my
that's
god.
hot.
Holy shit.
This is bad.
Oh, this is gonna hurt.
Oh my god.
It's one of those ones that like starts off like you feel it right away and it just gets worse.
I feel like you said that in a lot.
I'm gonna start sweating.
I hope.
No tears.
I'm gonna cry.
I don't want to take another bite. Oh, that hurts.
This is way worse than the last one.
The extra flakes on top really adds a punch.
It's really just my face that burns.
My mouth burns. What's wrong with you?
Chaz, are you okay?
Yeah.
She's enjoying it.
I'm a bad bitch.
Mama.
Okay.
I'm a bad bitch, fuck the bitch. Bitch gets slick, I'ma cut the bitch. I'm a bad bitch, suck some dick. If that bitch gets slick, I'll cut the bitch.
I'm a bad bitch, you can't kill me.
It's hard to talk when your mouth is on fire.
Oh my god.
You guys have a napkin to wipe my face?
Yeah, give me a napkin. My mouth is like
Yeah.
not happy.
It's running.
Give me one. Keep eating through.
It's the like
The actual sensation of eating makes it burn less. When you stop is when it really hurts.
Ow, breathing hurts.
Did you say breathing?
Breathing hurts.
Oh.
Breathing helps.
No one's still having any milk, huh? Seven, how are you so like not showing no emotion right now? Like
Like one bite.
I'm a bad bitch.
you're making us all look terrible. Like last time Blake just devoured it. He was like, oh, you're making...
That wasn't good.
That's on your chin.
Wait, do we have to eat it all? I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I can.
Bro, I'm not good with spicy things. I'm dying.
I've never been that great with them either.
I've never been good with spicy things.
Really good.
Oh my god.
My nose is running.
They're saying,
Drink some milk.
no!
I lost last time.
Oh my god, I'm almost done.
Yeah, you guys are destroying it.
Alright, I finished it.
Oh my god, I lost so much.
Oh my god, it's like you have a fever, dude.
I touched my face when I had it on
Oh,
my
you're
hands.
sweating.
I don't want to drink it first.
Am I sweating?
I have to.
Got it again.
I'm just gonna wet a napkin and rub it on my face.
Nope, cheating. Oh.
Damn it.
I'm 0 for 2 right now.
Oh my god, I can't even eat the rest.
Not gonna lose.
Well, you did. You just lost.
Wow.
Blake, oh my god.
You look good?
You look great.
Look good.
Did you drink it?
Yes, I had so many noodles in mine.
Yeah, mine is loaded. I'm using that as my excuse.
I had so much.
Alright.
I don't like how much Chad is showing this up.
I know, Chaz. He's acting like it's not even hot. But
It's an
not
act.
hot. I think it's getting hotter.
Does wetting your mouth help at all?
No, I think I spread it all over my face.
That's why your face. Don't wash your face.
I can't do it.
Actually, wash your face.
Don't make it more hot.
How did we make it better
I
last
am
time?
fine.
Because this one's like twice
Did it ever get better last time?
Breathe in, like, a lot.
When you breathe out, it hurts.
Stop making me laugh.
I'm convinced Chad's got a defective sauce. Last time you were in pain. This is significantly worse than last time.
I'm just
The
a
fact
bad
that it had
bitch.
Chinese writing on it is why I
I
was
don't
so
know if
scared.
that
No.
deters
It does.
spiciness.
This is awful.
I don't know if being a bad bitch is a deterrent.
Michael, drink your milk.
No!
Well,
Like,
anyways, I slayed this fucking challenge.
Good
I don't know
job.
about them.
I don't feel as hot now.
I still haven't had milk.
I feel
that,
great.
if that means anything.
I did that shit.
You guys lost.
Reese is in pain.
The
Alright.
2 high schoolers.
Is it
who
Chaz
got
or
back
A little
in.
better.
The challenge is over.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drink my milk then. No point in suffering, right?